Is your Turbo VPN stuck on connecting and not connecting at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that may help solve the problem. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen and turn on airplane mode for about 5 seconds. After that, turn it off and try connecting to Turbo VPN again. Sometimes this refreshes your internet connection and fixes the issue. If it's still not connecting, long press the Turbo VPN app and tap App Info. Now tap Force Stop. Open the app again and try connecting. If the problem continues, open Turbo VPN. Tap the 3-line menu, then go to Settings and open Protocols. Select IKEV2, then go back and try connecting again. If it still doesn't work, you can also switch back to automatic and test again. If nothing works, the problem may be with Turbo VPN servers or your internet connection. In that case, wait for a while and try again later, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data.